If you like Cuban food, today I'm making carne con papas. For this recipe, you're gonna need 1 pound of beef chunks, potatoes, complete seasoning, half a cup of dry white cooking wine, SAZON GOYA packet, half an onion, 2 garlic cloves, a quarter of green and red bell peppers, a quarter of teaspoon of cumin, a quarter teaspoon of oregano, a bay leaf, 1 small can of tomato sauce, and salt and pepper to taste. The first thing I like to do is add salt, pepper, and complete seasoning to the beef just to give it extra taste before I set it into the pressure cooker. Set the stove to medium-high and add extra virgin olive oil to your pressure cooker. Then toss in your onion and saute until it's translucent. Add your red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and saute that for about 30 seconds. Toss in your garlic cloves and saute that for a bit. Then add the 1 can of tomato sauce, half a cup of dry white cooking wine, half a cup of water. Add a quarter teaspoon of oregano, a quarter teaspoon of cumin, and a packet of SAZON GOYA. Add salt and pepper to taste, and then toss in the beef. You want to saute it for about 2 minutes. Now add the bay leaf and the potatoes, mix it up, and close and cook on medium-high for 15 minutes. You want to start timing it when it makes this noise. When your 15 minutes are up, remove it from the heat and slowly take out the pressure. All done. It couldn't get easier than this. Cuban food at home, smells good, tastes delicious. If you try it, I know you'll like it. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see upcoming recipes on Cooking with Amanda M.